What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LS3 here, and I'm here to talk about why the world will always need programmers, right? Before I start, I want to go ahead and let you guys know if you guys are interested in learning programming, if you're, switching careers, you're a vet, college student, you feel like, you really want to learn programming, you have some issues, apply for the Alpha Programming Academy. It will be in the link in the description box below. Yes, so we'll go ahead and hit the link, and you'll book a one-on-one call with me, and we'll get it going. All right, so let's go ahead and get to the video. So the world is always going to need programmers, right? The world there's a lot of software that hasn't been created yet. There's a lot of complex issues that still need to be solved. Because like I said, at the end of the day, like I always let everybody know that programmers are problem solvers. The world will always need problem solvers. I was reading an article about they have they're coming up with software and algorithms for the Department of Agriculture to find different areas they're aggregating the data, and they're finding different areas on where to plant seeds, what time, all these things, man, like just helping out with the crops and all that stuff. So I mean, there's tons of software. Robotics is coming. We have more software, VR, AR. I mean, there's just so much stuff. That's so much software that's not even built yet that programmers aren't going anywhere, and programmers are definitely needed. And guys, because like I always want to let it be known that this is a skill set. You are able, if you can program a computer, you can program your life. You can actually design your life how you want to design it. And like I said, you can take programming to any field. You don't have to be a software engineer. You can go to cybersecurity, networking, like I said, obviously machine learning. So AI, anything you want to do. If you know how to program and you do it well and you can effectively solve problems, you are going to be a person of value. No matter what even if you're an accountant. If you're an accountant, you can write scripts and program some stuff that can make life easier for other accountants. You in there. It doesn't matter. Teacher, especially a teacher, there's probably ways you can automate certain things to make your life better, help other teachers' lives better. I know my dad, he's a math teacher, and he showed me an app that somebody made. I think it was another teacher that allowed you to take a picture of the phone and it would scan the Scantron. I mean, that's you can't beat that. I mean, that's 100%. That's solving problems, and he did it with code. Because the thing about it is, the thing that makes a programmer so valuable is that you're solving code with the computer, because the computer works 24/7, 7 days a week. You're, lack of a better term, it's like a slave. It's like it works around the clock. And if you're able to program a certain computer, that computer will work around the clock. It'll do things. It'll feed you data, feed you stats, if you're a sports fan, all types of stuff. I mean, the world is really limitless when it comes to programming and software, and that's the thing. And there's so much software that hasn't been created yet. There's so many problems that haven't been solved yet, and there's going to be more problems to solve. And I think programming will make you future-proof. It is a future-proof skill, because if you know how to program, you know how to solve problems, you're going to be valuable. You're going to have and you might not even have a job. You might be able to create your own job. That's really the kicker, being able to have your own job. So yeah, I just wanted to make sure I hone that home for the people, because programmers aren't going anywhere, guys. We are going to be here. Like I said, they've been trying to kill programmers for the last 40 years. Now AI, ChatGPT is coming out. I've used ChatGPT on some certain problems. Yeah, it'll do certain things, but however, you still need to know what you're doing. Like I was working on a Minecraft server with shout out to Keep It Techie. I was working on a Minecraft server with him, and I was working with the Python side. He asked me for some help on the Python, so we were doing that. And we were using ChatGPT too, because it's basically like Googling. It's like a better chat interface to Google. So you don't have to go to Google, go to different like Stack Overflow, stuff like that. It actually brings it to you. So it's almost just like a chat-based interface Google. So we were using it, and I was asking it certain questions, and it didn't give me what I really wanted. It didn't. So I had to make some tweaks here and there. But the thing is, I had to know what I was doing. I had to know certain aspects of coding and like, oh, okay, I gotta make sure this does that, does that. And then, like I said, it just worked out because it was all about problem solving, because what we were doing, it was the Minecraft server. We had to make sure that we were trying to change the settings inside the server, and and it was great. So yeah, that's like I said, programmers will always be needed. I always make this joke about how if there was like a zombie apocalypse, I think you're probably gonna need a programmer. I know a lot of people think it's gonna be certain types of people, like a Walking Dead. You might be like, what's his name, Daryl, with the crazy survival skills and stuff like that, and riding a motorcycle with the crossbow, shooting zombies. That's cool. That's cool. I'm just saying though, the programs are the people who are gonna be solving the problems. And when you're in a situation like that, end of the world, no civilization. It's not gonna be computers. We're not gonna have no, ChatGPT or anything. But what I'm saying is, we're gonna definitely need problem solvers. So, yeah, like I said, that's pretty much it for this. I mean, if you guys have any comments, let me know in the comment section if you got any questions about programming, and hit the link in the description box to join the Alpha Programming Academy. Get a book of one-on-one, see if you're a good fit for the program, and see if I'm a good fit for you, right? You want to make sure you get this skill down. The skill is important. Reading, writing code, building, leaving the academy as a full-fledged programmer. Yep, that's it, guys. It's your boy LS3 signing out. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.